Male category. Up next. Next, there are the actors.
Papasava.
Slim Jesus.
Yes, Bamenya. Use our by Chadikatu.
Congratulations once again for the best actor TV series, Bamenya. So for every best actor, the counterpart is the best actress. And we're about to find out.
Congratulations. That's what happened.
Now,
What is the next?
the best actress is the next as a reasonable next choice. We'll have the Canadian High Commission representative step forward to present their word. Please step forward to present their word. If not available, we will ask kindly the Executive Secretary of the National Youth Council to do us the honors of presenting the Best Actress Award. And here are the nominees.
Reka turebe amashusho y'abakinnyi ba filime muri muzi wacu Best Actress TV Best Actress TV Series. Turashaka kumenya ni bande murabo bose turi bubone tumenye duhishurirwe uwagize abandi wegukanye igihembo cya mashariki bibaye ku nshuro ya 10 Mashariki African Film Festival. If we have the video, it's the Best Actress Izi Wachi TV Series. Arakoze cyane reka dusabe bwana Brave aduhishurire ninde wegukanye iki gihembo wahize abandi.
For the Best Actress is Watch TV Series. Who is she? Tessie Kayona Divina.
Ibarira hari reka badufashurire uwatsinze cyangwa yatsinze uwatsinze.
Thank you so much, Mr. Williams, for the presentation of the award. Congratulations again to the winner. You both
looks
Let's
good.
dress by all means. Our giver, our receiver. I like this energy. Well done. Now, on to the next.
So this one was on the female side.
Yes.
Now we have also on the male side, Lifetime Achievement Award.
Iziwachu Lifetime Achievement Award, male category.
Absolutely.
We will have the Azam representative come present the award. The representative from our sponsor Azam, please make your way forward to Mr. Willie Brazil. Iziwachu Lifetime Achievement Awards. Congratulations once again, Willie Danilo, for the Iziwachu Lifetime Achievement Award male category. Up next, we have actor.
And the winner is Killaman.
Best actor in web series, Iziwachu.
Congratulations, thank you so much.
Ku ruhande rw'abagabo reka noneho tunyarukire ku ruhande rw'abagore.
Best Actress Web Series cyangwa se umukinnyi w'umugore muri seri zica kuri murandasi nizo wagize abandi. For the presentation of the award of Best Actress in the Web Series Iziwachu category, please welcome Bamenya sponsor, the representative of Bamenya and Monica. The representative of La Corniche, the representative from La Corniche, Vanessa
Uzgina Maya. Vanessa Irakunda.
Congratulations to Vanessa, winner of Iziwachu category Best Actress in a Web Series. Now, up next, there are the actors, they're the actresses.
Papasava. Papasava. Félicitations à Papasava. La photo pour lui, ce caractère, ouais.
series category. So who is the best director in the Easy Watch for the TV series? To present the award, we would like to welcome the representative of Wallonie-Bruxelles International. Représentant de Wallonie-Bruxelles International, veuillez vous présenter devant. Merci. Who is the winner of the Best Director TV Series category? There is a few minutes left for us to find out.
twabakingirije yarisanzwe kubabona neza abangaba nibo batunganya nibo bayobozi baza filime
Mani buretse gato z'Icyongereza.
So mu gihe twatekereje gukora award ya festival as a team twaricaye turavuga ninde mu dukunda cyangwa se inshuti yacu ariko bose turabakunda ariko tuza guhitamo Clapton. That's why you saw him on the festival trailer as we are celebrating the 10th anniversary. Manzi rero nayo ni mpamvu niyo ngiyo gusa bose turabakunda uri gukora kandi
Batanze kugenda.
ntabwo nabona ikintu mvuga ndatunguwe gusa kuvuga ngo mbaye igihembo cy'umuntu abantu bateguye ibintu byose cyangwa festival ikomeye gutya mukaba igihembo cy'ukuntu mwamunze ni ukuri ariko sinzi Imana yashyizeho amavuta yo gukundwa ndashima Imana yuko ikintu cyose ngiyemo icyo gikundiro niyo nsenga Imana ngo iyo igikundiro ibintu nkora rero ni ibi bintu byo Imana inkorera ni icyari umugisha Imana ibavugisha.
Hallelujah. So wasemura rero
He just expressed his gratitude and saying that in every prayer, in every preparation of everything, he asked for favor. And lo and behold, the favor is indeed manifesting in different ways. So again, congratulations for receiving this special award. Mashariki African Film Festival is grateful to have you.
Thank you very much indeed. Reka tukomezanye n'icyiciro gikurikiyeho tugana gake gake ku musozo tugarutse muzi wacu. Izi ngizi ni filime zahize izindi filime yahize izindi muri filime zica kuri murandasi filime zica kuri filime z'uruhererekane zica kuri murandasi. Reka dusabe niba hari amashusho ajyanye nazo muyacisheho maze dusabe uhagarariye B1 Awards tubibutsa ko badufitiye amakokiteri aryoshye cyane. I invite you to have some of those cocktails.
This is the Easy Watch category Best Film Web Series. So all this comes down to the best film in the TV series.
Reka dufashe bamuhe ibahasha maze tumusabe yegere hano imbere kugira ngo aduhishurire So if you're a fan of gin, we have some cocktails, some gin-based cocktails outside. And best of all, it is absolutely free from B1 Gin.
Do not drink and drive. You better have the driver ready.
The winner is the forest.
Hallelujah. Killaman, wala kushaka hano. Killaman, wala kushaka hano. Mazelero, B1 Gin muteranunga, wali n'ikindi gihembo bakufitire kabazifitire.
Igihembo tubifitiye tunganya B1 Gin, ikinyobwa cyiza cyane muri iki gihugu, so tuyemerewe kubayitanga.
Nyambo, where are you? Nyambo, clap the kibonke. Et clap la boule qui studio. Dios se mureba, Dios this is the guy. We know when to shoot Dios. This is my dad, we go for we will never share this the greatest soccer. He's the guy who I've been sharing my movie. Editor and camera. Nyambo, please. Okay. Guys, I really appreciate that she journey. Every day I used to go to the forest. I don't know. Thank you, mashariki. Where is the CEO? Where is CEO? Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You guys, you know, they used to call me game changer because of the movie I bring out. So, ndabashimira cyane, ndashimira Team Killaman, ndashimira buri muntu wese wajanga witabiriye, ariko this guy Gary is amategeko. He said no. I was not accepting, like, now when I used to go but this guy changed my journey. He's the one who told me that you can do it. And he told, like, everything. So now people, they are calling me game changer because of this guy. I want to appreciate him in front of you. Thank you, Daddy.
Fata igihembo cyawe ntiwibagirwe n'iyo karito wisangire n'abo bantu bose batubwiye.
Congratulations once again to the best film web series, The Forest.